Well, in the last session, we have discussed that Gregor Mendel had selected pea plants and conducted the crossing experiments and could find that the inheritance is because of the factors. So he found that there are some factors which are responsible for the characters in our body. So to confirm that, he crossed the tall plants with the dwarf, the puerine plants, and he obtained as F1 generation the uh, tall plants. But these tall plants were heterozygous. That means they had capital T and a small t. And the parents, the tall plant was capital T, and the dwarf plant was a small t. Now when selfing is done in F1 generation, that is capital T small t crossed with the capital T small t, he obtained a ratio of 3 tall and 1 dwarf. That is the capital T, then capital T small t, and small t. So the phenotype ratio is 3:1, while genotype ratio is 1:2:1. So is it only the height follows this rule? So that was the question disturbed him. Then he tried with the flower colors. So he selected a red color or violet colored, even a purple colored pea plant, that is flower color, crossed with the white flowered pea plant. On crossing, he found that in F1 generation the plants were of a red flower. That indicates red color is dominant, but they are heterozygous, that is capital R, small r, while the parents are capital R, and white is small r. So when selfing is done, he obtained the ratio 3:1 once again, phenotype ratio red 3 and 1 white, and 1:2:1 genotype, where capital R and 2 capital R small r and 1 small r. So that indicated red is dominant and white is recessive in a flower color. Similarly, on crossing the yellow pea-seeded pea plant with the green-seeded pea plant, he obtained that in the F1 generation all were yellow in color. That indicates that yellow is dominant in pea plants, yellow color seeds. Then when selfing is done, he obtained the ratio 3:1, that is 3 yellow and 1 green. So green is the recessive feature, yellow is the dominant feature. Once again, the phenotype ratio is 3:1 and genotype ratio is 1:2:1 as shown in this figure. So the conclusion of these experiments is that for every gene there are 2 alleles and one gene controls one character or a trait. And here, for example, seed color is because of one gene, and there are 2 alleles, yellow and green. This helped him to formulate the first law of genetics, the law of dominance, and also make a list of dominant features in pea plant and recessive features in the pea plant. So monohybrid cross had helped him to make the list of dominant features and recessive features in case of pea plants. So in case of height, dominant is tall and recessive is a dwarf. And in case of flower, the flower color, which may be mentioned as red, violet or purple, is a dominant, while white is a recessive. Position of flower, axial is dominant and terminal is a recessive. Same way in case of a pod and seed nature and seed color is mentioned in this table. You can see that the which is the dominant feature and which is the recessive feature. So based on a monohybrid cross, Gregor Mendel proposed the law of dominance. So according to law of dominance, every trait in the organism is controlled by a factor, and a factor is made of two alleles, and among them one will be dominant and another is recessive. The feature we get in F1 generation is the dominant trait, and in the F2 generation, out of 3:1, the one which is obtained less number is the recessive character. So law of dominance states that every character is controlled by one factor, and every factor has two alleles, dominant and recessive. The allele that suppresses another allele is called as dominant allele, and the allele that gets suppressed is called a recessive allele. A scientist by name Correns also conducted a monohybrid cross, but not on pea plant but on a plant called as a snapdragon. Antirrhinum majus is the scientific name. In this plant also there are red colored and white colored plants are there. So when he crossed red flowered plant with the white flowered ones, instead of getting a red colored F1 generation, he obtained all had a pink color. Then he further conducted the selfing in those plants, and he obtained the ratio 1:2:1, that is 1 red, 2 pink and 1 white. So why this difference? So why it is not according to the Mendel's law? So this is a deviation from Mendel's law, which is called as a incomplete dominance. In this case, the dominant allele is not completely masking the recessive allele. So the expression of a dominant allele is to some extent prevented by the recessive allele. So both are expressed in pink. So the red color had become pink. So such a phenomenon is called as the incomplete dominance, and here the phenotype ratio and genotype ratio is same, 1:2:1.